It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe po kayo. Thank you po God, hindi nasunog ang bahay namin. Napaka-bait ni God sa amin. Ito po ang nangyari sa aming thermostat, sunog. Yung furnace po namin sa baba, yung pinakita ko sa isang video ko noon, ng malaking parang cabinet doon, sunog po. Ayan po, ayan, sunog. Sunog po yan. Ito pong thermostat na ito. Ito po ang ikukwento ko po sa inyo na nangyari. Ayan po, sunog na sunog siya. Ito ay panggagalingan daw ito ng sunog. Sabi nung nagpunta rito magse-service, bibili nila po yung mga parts. Ang nangyari po kasi nito, ayan po, pwede siya sa heat, pwede sa cool. Pero pag nasa heat yan, dumating po ako kahapon bago kami pumunta sa pre-dinner sa Golden Corral. Para pong naglilitsyon dito sa loob ng bahay namin. Kaya, in-adjust ko po siya dito sa cool. Ayan po, yung cool.
Got burned out.
Yeah, I'm just telling them it's a miracle our house didn't get burned because look at that. How did it happen that when I switch it to cool, honey, it regulates the heat in the house. It cool off. But this one totally is not working anymore. It's a miracle.
Right.
This is what I've been thinking. And the furnace downstairs, it's also burnt, right?
Right.
Mario said this will cause a fire. But thank God, our house, I've been praying in the car when, honey, I don't want to go.
Yeah, I know. You said there was the hint of smoke, right?
Yes, because
but
I'm
we
afraid.
didn't see any because
Our house.
It did not cause a fire because it's it's electronic. It burned.
But Sunday, I've been telling you I'm smelling smoke. I was videoing, making a video to our.
Guess what?
Yeah. Thank God our house didn't get burned. This is the evidence that God is great. We have a living God.
We're lucky.
Yeah, we are lucky. Our house didn't get burned. Yesterday I said, honey, I feel like I don't want to go because it feels like our house is more than 100 degrees inside. But look, it's not working anymore.
Right.
When I turn it into cool, I move the switch there. It cools off our house.
Right.
It's a miracle.
It's a switch.
Yeah, the switch totally it's not working anymore. Paano po nangyari yun? Na
Did you see any of that? And
I didn't.
Neither you nor me.
I didn't see any.
We didn't see any smoke.
I was videoing.
Okay.
I don't feel okay because I smell smoke. I checked the thermostat. I didn't see any fire.
Right.
I went downstairs to the furnace. I didn't see any fire.
Yeah.
It's a miracle.
We lucked out. Yeah, I know. I agree.
God is great. God is great. Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Yes. Okay. Ayan po yung aming furnace dito sa baba. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo sa taas, kahit yung nagpunta dito, trabahador po ng employer ko yun, ni Jackson. Inutusan niyang tulungan kami. Sabi niya, hindi ko maintindihan ang nangyari. Nasunog ito pero nakita ko lang sa loob na sunog. Hindi nagtuloy. Sabi niya, talagang hindi ko maipaliwanag ito. First time daw niya nakita ito. Kaya napakabait po ni God. Hindi niya pinabayang masunog ang bahay namin. Oh God, thank you po God. Po ang thermostat, totally, sabi ni Mario, hindi na gumagana yan. Nung sabihin mo sa aking nilagay mo siya sa cold, sinwitch mo sa cold, paano gagana yan? Sunog na sunog. Sabi niya, even me, I cannot explain this. Because your house, when I came here, the temperature it's about right. I didn't feel anything heat. I said, yesterday before we went to Golden Corral, as soon as I get inside from work, I said, Ron, it feels like we are roasting pork inside our house. Too hot. So I slide this switch. It was already off. It was already off, but the furnace downstairs kept on going on and on and on for 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today is Tuesday here. 4 days. Oh my God. Paano nga naman po ma-explain yan? Na-regulate ko po yung heat nung ito. Ini-slide ko siya sa cold. Na-regulate ko po ang heat. Ayan o, kitang-kita, naging 69. At katamtaman lang, sa lamig dito, ayos po, ayos ang temperature. Ayan po ang ebidensya, kaya nagulat po yung gumagawa. Paano daw nangyari yun? Totally, hindi na po yan gumagana. Thank you po God sa miracle. At ako po talagang gusto ko makapagpasaya ng mga tao. Kaya siguro ginagawa ni God sa akin to, tinutulungan niya kami. Kung nasunog po itong bahay namin, naka-insured po ito, sigurado. Makakakuha kami ng pera sa insurance, makakapagpatayo kami ng bagong bahay na mas maganda bago lahat. Pero ito pong mga gamit na ito, pinaghirapan ko. Lalo, hindi ko po, kahit ako po, hindi ko kayang ipaliwanag kung paano kung napagana yung thermostat na yan. Sunog na sunog. Totally. Hindi na po yung gagana, sabi ni Mario sa amin. Bakit nung nag-overheat dito sa loob ng bahay namin, naka-off po, naka-off. Naka-off. Wala po yan sa heat. Naka-off. Pero, para kang naglilitsyo ng baboy dito sa loob. Gawa ko, inislide ko po itong switch na ito sa cold. Na-regulate po ng pagkagaling namin sa Golden Corral. Ayos na po ang ang init at lamig dito sa bahay namin. Kaya talagang mapaghimala siya. Alam niya, basta po tumawag tayo sa kanya, nakikinig po siya sa dasal natin. Hindi po niya tayo pababayaan. Kaya, thank you po God. At thank you sa lahat na nagmamahal sa amin. Nagpapasalamat po ako at hindi po nasunog itong aming bahay. Kanina binuksan ni Mario yung furnace sa baba, pinakita sa amin. Talaga pong sunog. Talagang, buti hindi raw po nagsiklab, hindi nag-apoy itong aming bahay. Oh my God. Thank you God. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Thank you. You're so very kind to us. Thank you. God bless us all. Happy day, happy night, happy life, happy, peaceful, healthy, and blessed word to all. Ang pera po, kaya nating kitain yan. Pero yung pananalig po kay God, hindi po mabibili yan kahit milyon-milyon ang pera mo. Kailangan po talagang magdasal tayo sa Kanya, manalig tayo sa Kanya. Thank you po. I love you all. God bless us all. Hindi po ba evidence ng miracle yan? Sunog. Hindi gumagana. Pero napalamig, na-regulate po niya ang init sa bahay namin. Minsan po may mga gamit kami ditong hindi ayaw gumana. Sasabihin ko lang, please God, paandarin mo po ito. Tumaandar po. Oh my God, talagang napakabait mo po. Hindi ko po gawa-gawa yan. Ayan po ang ebidensya. Sunog na sunog lahat. Hindi gumagana pero na-regulate ko po ang temperature dito sa bahay namin na hindi po nasunog ang aming bahay. Thank you po. God bless us all. I love you all.